She's going to use her barbells and kick, kick, kick. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and go. Kick, 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 kick. Very good. Okay, now let go of them. Now Miss Audrey is going to do her forward glide with her reach and pull, which is a forward crawl. Are you ready? Say, watch me, Miss Sandy.
Watch me, Miss Sandy.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, and big reaches, okay? Big reach and pull like a dolphin. 1, 2, 3, and breathe. Reach and pull, reach and pull, and reach and pull. Very good. Say, ta-da! And now stand up, and you're going to get ready. I'm going to cue you, and you're going to come to Miss Kelly, okay? And 1, 2, 3, and breathe. Reach and pull, reach and pull, reach and pull, reach and pull, reach and pull.
Very good.
Very good. Let's do one more to the stairs, and then we'll do our barbells, okay? And 1, 2, 3. Big reaches. Big reaches, big reaches, big reaches. Very good. You going to do one more to me? One more? Take a breath. And reach and pull. Okay? Reach and pull. Get those dolphin arms out. 1, 2, 3, and breathe. Okay, I'll come closer. Very good. 1, 2, 3, and breathe. Reach and pull, reach and pull, reach and pull. Very good. Now let's show her how you do your back float. All right, I'm right here. Arms out.
No, turn the can.
Head back. Arms out.
No, turn the can.
Can I
Do-
what?
Turn the can.
I will count to 10. Yes, arms out. And legs together. Legs together, belly button up. Very good.
Don't let go.
I won't let go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chin up. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You want to keep going?
No.
Okay. She's so brave, Miss Sandy. She's so brave. You want to show her how you get up on the side and jump in? Okay, show her. Hand, hand. Elbow, elbow, tummy, pull, 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 knee. Very good, and we'll show her how you jump in.
Only one time.
Only one time, okay? 1, 2, 3, breathe. Spin, reach, 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 reach. Okay, very good, very good.
Can we do a dive in?
You want to dive in? Okay,
Yes, do, Sandy.
let's go. Well, I haven't taught you how to
I
dive
just
yet.
don't. Wait, there.
Reach and pull. All right. 1, 2, 3, and breathe. Reach and pull. Reach and pull. Reach and pull. Very good. Say ta-da! Ta-da! Okay. You're silly. You're silly. You're silly. Blow your bubbles. Don't hold your breath. Very good. Are we gonna dive?
Yeah.
We gonna dive down? Okay. You want me to push you down here, or do you want to go on the bottom stair?
Downstairs and I can't do this.
Well, because I can help you.
Yeah.
Okay, come here. She's so brave. She's so brave. Are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, and breathe. Blow your bubbles. Blow your bubbles. Did you blow your bubbles? I saw little bubbles. I saw little bubbles. Very good. Ready? Ready, Freddie? 1, 2, 3, and breathe. Blow your bubbles. Kick, 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 kick. Very good. Very good. Has she been going down on her own to get retrieving down here?
We didn't get to do it yesterday with the rain. We didn't get back
Okay.
in, but she did the day before.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Blow. Make sure you blow your bubbles. 1, 2, 3, and breathe. Blow. Kick, 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 kick. Very good. Very good. Let's do one more kick to the wall.
Let's do more.
Oh, I know it. We'll get him in a little bit. All right. Big reach and pull. Let me see. Let me see big dolphin reach. Reach, 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 reach. Look straight ahead. Look at the goggles when you're reaching. Are you looking at the goggles? Very good. Big reaches, big reaches. All right. Very good. 1, 2, 3. Breathe. Big reaches, big reaches. Kick, 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 kick. Say ta-da! Ta-da!
You have to get the more.
She did well with her. She just needs to do a little bit of this half and half.
Balance.
All right, let's get more. Oh, did you want to dive in? Want me to show you how to dive? Okay. Okay. We can. She's only at a point where she can do a sitting dive right now. We'll see how she does. You sit. No, we're not doing Humpty Dumpty. Knees together. Let me hold your hands like this. And we're going to keep your feet on the wall. And 1, 2, 3. Very good. Did you get it?
Mhm.
That's a sitting dive. Very good. Did you hold your breath?
Yeah.
Did you blow your bubbles?
No. Let me
No.
do it.
You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do it again. Okay, you're going to get up on your own? Hand. You're a trickster. Knees together, feet on the wall, hands, and your arms go right up over your ears like that. Lean forward, and 1, 2, 3, breathe. Very good. Now spin. Now kick toward the wall. Go. Kick, 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 reach. Very good.
Let me
Okay.
do the thing and then wait, like.
All right, let's do it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Very good. How many? 4? Very good. Are we going to get the rest of them? That's probably all it can take. I don't know if I can send all of that